Okay, so hi guys. Yeah, it's good to be back. Another day, another video. Before we start lang, nalimihang nyo na kung okay ra mo subscribe mo sa among channel, yeah, please click here. Yeah, dako kay nang tabang kay sa among channel gyud kay without you na mo support na mo, wala sa damong channel. So, yeah, please, yeah, support by subscribing, like, comment, share. Thank you so much. Yeah. Okay, so for today's video lang kay, yeah, it's Saturday. It's a chill day, chill weekend, lockdown. So karon na video kay amo i-share sa inyo ha ang one of the best ramen in Sydney. Please do kanang stick around, watch the video. Para makabaw mo kung asan ng ramen. Then if nasa may ideas inyohang naganahan po na ramen dito sa Sydney, yeah, please comment below. Suroy sad mo diri sa Sydney, bisitahan ni na shop, ramen shop diri kay, which is the best. Okay, so let's go out na and buy the ramen. Okay guys, so mo ni siya among favorite na ramen diri sa Newington. Yeah, we didn't expect na open sila karon kay usually magad mo ingon si Google na open but inkan mo dili. So yeah, timing kay paganhin ako open. Which is naka-order me. Good job. Okay guys, so while waiting sa ramen, tour to mo diri sa among area. At least makakita mo ba unsay naong diri. Yeah, ako lang ipakita but para nako ganahan kay ko diri sa area kanin Newington kay which is among area dool kay mga shops, dool kay grocery, at tumig CBD, dool kayo airport 30 minutes. So murag para nako ba kani among area is 30 minutes away from everything. Murag ganahan na ba. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, so 30 minutes na ni Agi. So try na to check if na ang ramen. Oh. Hello? Hello my love? Yeah, napadiri taon. 30 minutes mo gudong hulat sa ramen. Yeah, pero ingon siya won't be long daw. So mga 0.5 minutes or 10 minutes. Makumana ni. Yeah, I pay by card. Thank you. So good. Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay, so yeah, finally. Okay, so finally, there are ang ramen, which is our favorite na ramen ni Celeste. And nako said, which is I think the best ramen is there is Sydney. Yeah, I think Sydney. Yeah, ako ingon Sydney good guy. Marag I think mo gini pinakalami, di ba? Ha? Bias ta kay silingan mo. Oh yeah, bias mi kay silingan man namon ara diha. But yeah, mo ni siya ang ramen guys. Amoy butang sa description ang pangalan sa shop ug ang ang Google Map para at least copy paste niyo kabaw na mo asa dapit. Mo ni siya guys, duha ka book pila ni siya? Each, no? Yeah, so kaning duha it's worth $32. So mga $15, $16, $17 each. Wala na ko gi-check, nalimot ko. Anyway, guys, morning ramen guys. Yeah, ang sabaw imo isud dere. Then yeah, mo na siya. Yeah. Open it. Sige, open it. Yeah, so there guys. There. Kita ba? Yeah. Then another one here. Butang ang sabaw. Yeah. So all you have to do is abli this one and then put it in here. So wow. Mutay guys, sumot kay guys. Napadere ang isa kang Celeste. Yeah. Okay guys, yeah. highly recommended yun dito sa Sydney kanina ramen shop. There is a Newington. I think para na ko is the best ramen there is sa Sydney. So yeah, try it and let us know kung sa inyong masulti about sa ramen, kung the best ba good or really, or nami ma-recommend kung asa na ramen ang mas lami. Then yeah, comment lang below. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Hey guys, so that's it for today's video. Again, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe. And again, kung asa ni ang ramen shop, amo ibutang sa description below ang Google Map address or Apple Maps or unsa na maps inyo gigamit sa may hatag ang address para at least inyo ra ini copy paste para yeah, makaadto sa mo, maka-visit sa mo sa shop. And let me know what do you think sa ramen ka-visit ninyo. Then, if namoy nabawaan mga ramen shops diri sa Sydney na makaingon sad mo the best, yeah, please comment below kay yeah, amo say try, amo i-compare kay so far sa amo na bisita mga ramen shop diri sa Sydney, kana gyud sila ang the best. So, again, thanks guys, thanks for sticking around, watching the video and supporting our channel, YouTube channel. Thank you. Much love. Enjoy Saturday, enjoy your weekend, and stay safe, keep healthy, and babush!